Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to convert photo to PDF on Samsung Galaxy S24 FE. If you're new here, don't forget to subscribe and give this video a thumbs up. Now, let's dive in. Step 1. First, unlock your phone and open the Gallery application. The Gallery is where all your photos and videos are stored. Step 2. Once you're inside the Gallery app, you'll see all your photos organized by albums or date. Browse through and select the photo that you want to convert to a PDF. Step 3. At the top of your screen, you'll notice 3 small dots, the menu icon. Tap on the 3 dots and a drop-down menu will appear. Scroll down and you'll see the option labeled Print. Tap on Print to open up the print settings. Step 4. In the menu, choose Save as PDF. This option will save your photo as a PDF file instead of sending it to a printer. You can now customize the paper size, A4, letter, etc., and make any other adjustments if needed. Once you're happy with the settings, tap the download button. Select a location on your phone to save the PDF file, then hit Done Open to confirm. Step 5. Finally, go back to your home screen, open the Files app, and navigate to the location where you saved the PDF. Open the file to confirm that your photo is now successfully converted into a PDF. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more great tips.